In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add background music to your Descript projects in a few easy steps, so you can make your videos sound professional and polished. Whether you're new to Descript or just want to streamline your workflow, stick around to learn the most efficient way to add background music and get the best sound quality. If you've never used Descript before, you can actually try it for free with our exclusive offer using the first link below, plus some awesome bonuses to kickstart your editing experience. So make sure to stick with me until the end to get access to that. Alright, let's jump right into it. Once you have Descript open and your project ready, adding background music is straightforward. First, you need to locate your music track. If you don't already have a track, Descript has an integrated library you can use, or you can upload your own music by simply dragging and dropping it into the project. Now here's where it gets a little fun. Drag the music track to the timeline. You'll notice it'll appear at the bottom of your audio or video file, but we're not done yet. The next step is adjusting the length of the music to match your video. Just click and drag the end of the music track to either extend or trim it as needed. This ensures the music fits perfectly with your video's duration. Next, let's talk volume. A key element of using background music is making sure it doesn't overpower your voice or primary audio. To adjust the volume, simply click on the music track in the timeline and you'll see a volume slider pop up. Lower the volume to your preferred level. Keep in mind that background music should complement the content, not compete with it. If you're looking to fade the music in or out, Descript makes that super easy. Click on the music track, and you'll see small handles at the beginning and end of the track. You can drag those handles inward to create a fade-in or fade-out effect, making your transition smoother and more professional. One more tip. Descript allows you to layer multiple audio files on the same timeline. So if you have voiceovers, sound effects, or other audio elements, you can layer them with your background music and fine-tune each one individually for a balanced mix. And there you have it. That's how to add background music to your Descript projects in just a few simple steps. You can adjust the volume, fade in and out, and layer your music for a seamless editing experience. Remember, if you want to dive deeper into Descript's features or you're just starting out, you can grab our exclusive offer for an extended free trial by clicking the link in the description. You'll get full access to everything Descript has to offer, no strings attached. If this video helped, feel free to leave a like, and don't forget to check out our exclusive bonuses. Happy editing, and I'll see you in the next one.